Hello everyone, I am back! Hello you guys, I know it's been a very long time since the last time I filmed a video, and well, it's been exactly 3 years because I think the last time you have seen me, unless you follow me on Instagram or the social page on Facebook, I haven't been on YouTube for 3 years, since my 30th birthday. So I'm here to do a life update and to say I'm back. And I've missed you, and I don't know what has kept me from you guys, and I have quite a lot to share. So I'm just gonna go straight into it. So last time you've seen me, I was in a relationship with the guy in that 30th birthday video. We went to Gatlinburg. I think that was the last video. Yeah. So me and that person do not date anymore. We're not together. We could call it reconcilable differences. I mean, I thought, we should probably just have between me and him, and he thought it should be me, him, and another girl. So that's really what happened. So a little bit more about that relationship thing. So I became single after finding out that he cheated on me. And I was upset and I was mad and I was irate and everything. I really was. And it's really hard to picture that side of me right now, but I was. And I got over it because I really felt like we wasn't really meant to be. And it just happens that way, it just happens. It just happens that way. So I was single for 2 years, and going through that dating pool, it was really, I learned some very interesting lessons about getting to know people and how people are raised and how that affects their love life and what their love language is. And, you have to really write down what you really want. And I got that. So I'm also in another relationship 3 years later, right? I'm with someone currently. You will get to know him. He's completely different from most dudes that I date, and I am completely happy about that. So yeah, right now it's been about 7 months in, 6 months in, about 6 or 7 months in. So we've been dating for a little bit now, and I feel comfortable to share. Yeah, so moving on. Okay, so I have gotten back into pageantry, and it has been very fulfilling for me. It's been very fun, and it has been highs and lows. Like, highs and lows meaning that there's been rough lessons I've learned, there's been awesome lessons I've learned, and things that there's a part of me that I've learned that I can do that I never thought that I could do. Like, for instance, I rhinestone gowns now. It's been a blessing. That's another side hustle blessing that I get to share with you guys. And I found out that there's this whole pageant community of plus size pageants. And clearly, I'm plus size. I'm 200 plus. So yeah, it's been awesome doing that, and I really am so excited to share that with you guys. So you're gonna see more of that. And I've still been doing makeup. My technique has grown, and I've gotten improved and better in blending and so forth, and I still love it, and you'll still see that. And dealing with weaves and wigs and so forth, you'll still see that. And I just want to come back and say I'm back, and I'm not going to go anywhere again. I'm just going to take this one day at a time. When it comes to YouTube, I get pretty overwhelmed to try to stay consistent, and this is not my only thing I do in my life. It's not like my main job, so it's hard to balance, but I'm coming back in force. I'm coming back in full force. And I'm so excited that you guys are still here rocking with me. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the messages. Thank you for the views. Thank you for still subscribing. Thank you for still rocking with me throughout all of these years. And I've been very inconsistent with you guys, and I'm truly sorry. but also thank you for the opportunities I've had to travel. I got an opportunity, actually I am going to Arizona this October. I'm being flown out to be a makeup artist at a wedding. I've worked at many different photo shoots and weddings, and it's been a blessing. So it all started with YouTube. So I still am very grateful, and I'm so sorry I let you guys down, and I have not really been the best at staying consistent on this, but I'm back into it. See videos of my life. You're gonna see a lot of new things. I'm in a sharing mood in my life right now because of just with this whole coronavirus going on and quarantining, I'm starting to realize what really makes me happy. And one of my happiest moments was when I was video recording and sharing videos with you guys, because it allowed me to be creative. I've just been really evolving into a pretty butterfly, and life is good. I really do not have any complaints. So I'm so excited that you guys get to see me now, who I am now as 33-year-old Leamona, and I get to share my world with you again, and I feel so blessed that I can do it. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm so sorry again that I have been so distant and not consistent, that there's no excuses. It's really been me and pure laziness, or not really laziness because I've been doing other things, but this is something that really means a lot to me. So I'm so excited to do this again. So stay tuned, and ta-ta.